Hey everyone. Hey, I'm here with this model 5430-700 Coleman stove. This is probably from the 70s. I owned it when I was a kid. I went camping up to Yosemite, first time there, and it was awesome. But I took the stove, and about halfway through, I had some problems. This flame was a little bit intermittent and not all the way around. Then I noticed it was getting hot here. The rubber was melting. I smelled it a little bit, and then I decided that there was some problem in here. The flame was out here where it shouldn't be. So there's not a whole lot that could go wrong with it, but I kind of decided I lost all of my gas one night. I was like, well, that doesn't make sense. So I decided this was working fine, the right one. I decided that there must be some problem with this left valve, and indeed the O-ring was squared off and leaking gas this way and probably air that way, depending on the use. I don't know why the left one was so squared off and the right one was still adequate. Must have just been in a different position over the years. So I ordered some of these. These are dash 10 O-rings. Dash is kind of a number that helps you find the right size, easy way. But they're also 3/8 outer diameter, 1/4 inner diameter, 1/16 cross section. And yeah, I am using Viton O-rings. They're just made for high temperature. Not, I'm not sure if they're Buna or Viton originally, but I thought it couldn't hurt to use the Viton in here. So I ordered some. I ended up buying 50 because you couldn't find two for good price with shipping, and they came in today, and I just wanted to put this back together. This valve assembly has some little orifices here that I wanted to make sure were clean. This one you can kind of see through here. This one you couldn't see, and so I just, this is a bread twist tie, and that can go in there and just clear that, to make sure that's clear. They weren't dirty, but it can't hurt to check that. Excuse me, I just ate something. And okay, so I'm going to put this back together. Anything else I want to talk about? This O-ring is a dash 11. I think it's a 7/16 ID, 9/16 OD, also 1/16 wall. Those are nominal sizes. They're slightly different actually. So I think I'll just put this back together and fire it up, make sure it's working properly. When you put this in, just make sure these are kind of connected. You can put this in like this first and get that in there. Probably want to swing this over and get that on there too as you move this across. Kind of has to coordinate just a tiny bit to make sure it gets on there. There we go, it looks like it's in there. These can be put in first and then screwed down, and then put this little retainer cap on, or do them together like this. So those O-rings I had just put on, and I used a tiny bit of lubricant, very tiny, just hardly any. You don't need it really. It just can't hurt to keep the operation going well. Those kind of should be screwed in like they're closed to get these all the way seated. These middle nuts here all the way seated. Over tighten these. Looks right. This looks right. These I had taken off and cleaned. I used some Easy Off oven cleaner that helps with grease and baked on stuff, and then just whatever kind of cleaner you want to use, a little toothbrush or something to get those clean. I guess I already talked about this O-ring. This can be on here. It won't leak gas. There's a little, almost like an air valve here that gets push down when you plug this in, or the O-ring keeps it from leaking. So that's on. I guess I'll just go ahead and put these on quickly. I've got airflow there now. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully. I ate some spicy food, got a little sinus running. Probably could have left these off, but let's get them on. Alright. Don't over tighten things. Alright. Doesn't seem like any leakage. Got a match here. Beautiful. Yeah, this had just had intermittent flames, so those look good. I love this. Camping, it was just great. It boil water very quickly. Wake up, get the water boiling just a short time, and get your coffee going. So everything looks good. I hope this helps somebody. Just put it back together. I know there was a different model. I think that was later than this. Maybe the same number with an N. That had the higher panels. Seems like there's a little bit more information on that one than this one. This can go on. That. This slides in. And then these fold down over there we go. So hope that helps someone, and these are great old stoves. Maybe pick one up on eBay. I saw, or local Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Go and camp and grab one of these. They're great. Thanks for watching.